Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you an update on how to download the undownloadable PDF file in a Google Drive. So I have here a PDF file shared with me. Now, when you click the three dots here, there's no option for me to download it. And when I click that here, there's no option as well to download it. So the security does not allow us to download this PDF file. So what are we going to do? So right now I am using a MacBook. So we need to open the console. How are we going to open the console in a MacBook? First, we have to scroll it up to the last page. That's the first one. And then after that, please click Command Option I. Now in Windows, you have to click F12. That's the option, or Control Shift I in order for us to go to the developer tool. So after that, you have to click console, and then here we have to type the JavaScript that I am going to share with you. So here is the JavaScript. So we have to copy everything here, and then go to the console and then paste it. Now, if it says warning, all you need to do is to type allow pasting. Allow pasting. Then enter. After you click allow pasting, you may now paste the JavaScript and then click enter. Now here, as you can see, on the upper portion, the PDF was successfully downloaded. Let me click that, and here we have it. So here's the PDF file. And now you have the option to download it again here. And if you want to re-download it, it's okay. And if you want to print it, it's okay as well. So I will share with you the JavaScript in the description so that you have the copy. And if you have comment and question, just let me know. Just comment in the comment section below. So that's it for today.